Hi, and I am here with Grandpa Winky for Grandpa Winky's Volume 1 Taste Testers. We are going to see what peanut butter he likes best, A, B, or Doug's peanut butter. Here he is now. Now, I'm going to ask him a question. And what do you like to do, Grandpa Winky?
I hate music!
Okay. So, I'm going to ask him another question. Do you want to eat this peanut butter?
Yeah! Then eat this peanut butter!
Let's see how he likes it. Looks like he doesn't like it. B, see how that tastes. He doesn't like that either. Now let's try Doug's peanut butter. There's a spoon inside. Whoops. I guess that was his cane. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you next time with Grandpa Winky's Taste Testers.
Ow! That hurt my bum!
Well, poor Grandpa Winky. Well, we'll see you here next time. Why does it smell bad in here? well, we'll see you all later. Oh, turn on the camera. Something smells. Oh, turn it on.